Hi everyone, here we've got an Alcatel 3X from 2020 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using a secret code and a dialer, and the second is using the settings. So of course I will show you both. Let's begin with the shortest one. Let's use the secret code. So let's tap on the dialer, choose the keypad, and let me type the code. It's *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another option. So let's open the list of apps and find and open the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find the system and tap on About Phone. Now we have to scroll down again and tap on Status. And as you can see here, we've got the serial number, and if you want to check the IMEI, just tap on IMEI Info. And here we've got the numbers for both SIM slots. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Alcatel 3X 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.